Students, already question number 1 in a try this page number 198, question number 1 bit is over, 2 bits as a given homework. The second question 2 bits is there, in that I am explaining about a first bit. Find EC in the following figure. DE is a parallel to BC. DE is a parallel to BC in a triangle ABC. Here find EC. EC you have to find. EC you have to find. Here already AD is equal to 1.5 centimeters, DB is equal to 3 centimeters, AE is equal to 1 centimeter. You have to find a EC. Here already in this triangle one line is a parallel to one side of a triangle. By applying BPT solution in a triangle ABC, you write down like this. DE is a parallel to BC. Then AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. AD already 1.5 centimeters by DB is equal to 3 centimeters. Here AE is equal to 1 centimeter. Next, you have to find a EC. EC is not given. You do a cross multiplication. That is equal to 1.5 into EC is equal to 1 into 3. EC is equal to 3 by 1.5. That you multiply by 10 by 10. That is equal to 30 by 15. Why you are multiplied by 10 means point after 1 point, 1 place. So multiplied by 10 means it becomes a 15. Here 30. So 15 1 ja, 15 2 ja, 2 centimeters. It is a 2 centimeters. Finish. Next one more bit is there in a page number 198 page. Here try this. Second question, second bit, you do yourself. Next, I am going to explain example 1. Example 1. Here similar triangles, page number 199 page. 99 page. Here example 1. In a triangle ABC, DE is a parallel to BC. DE is a parallel to BC. This is a question. AD by DB is equal to 3.5 is given, and AC is equal to 5.66 centimeters. Next, AE is equal to what? AE is equal to what? You have to find. Here, this question is given. First, you have to draw yourself only. This is by seeing a textbook question. You have to draw a triangle ABC according to. Next, DE is a parallel to BC. DE you write, draw, and parallel symbol you keep. Then solution I am going to start. Here in a triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. It is given, already given. From BPT, BPT means basic proportionality theorem, first theorem, 8.1 theorem. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. It is given. Yeah, it is already we know 8.1 theorem. AD by DB already given, that is 3 by 5 in a question. AE is equal to not given. AE you have to find. AC is equal to what? Okay, right. Now here you see AE we have to find now that you take x centimeters. Let assume that AE is equal to x. Then EC is equal to, you see from problem, AE is equal to, we are assumed X. EC is equal to what? We have to find. AC minus AE is equal to, you see, AC, that means total. AC minus AE is equal to EC only, you will get. Once again you see, AC completely, AC minus AE, that is equal to EC. AC minus AE, that is equal to, here AC is equal to already given 5.6 centimeter, 5.6 minus X centimeters. This is. Here in these values you apply in this. AD by DB is equal to 3 by 5 is equal to, AE is equal to, we are assumed X, we have to find that AE is equal to, EC is equal to, EC value is equal to 5.6 minus X, keep in bracket, then you do a cross multiplication, that is cross multiplication 3 into 5.6 minus X, that is equal to 3 into 5.6 minus X is equal to 5X, 5 into X, 5 into X, you multiply 18, 15, 16.8 minus 3X is equal to 5X. Here this is your transfer that side, 16.8 is equal to 5X plus 3X. Here 8X is equal to 16.8. X is equal to 16.8 by 8. 8 1 ja, 8 2 ja, 8 1 ja. That is equal to 2.1 centimeter. X is equal to 2.1 centimeters. That X is AE. Therefore, AE is equal to 2.1 centimeters. 2.1 centimeter. Next, here example 2 problem is there. Example 2. Example 2. Here in the given figure, example 2, in the given figure, here A, B, C, A, B, C, here LM, LM is a parallel to AB. LM is a parallel to AB. AL is equal to x minus 3. X minus 3. Here AC is equal to, this is AC is equal to 2x. Here completely. Here BM is equal to x minus 2 centimeters. BC is equal to, is given. BC totally. BC is equal to, here BC is equal to 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. We have to find what x value. In this problem, this is a example 2. Example 2. Here in example 2 you see triangle ABC. In a triangle ABC, LM is a parallel to AB. Here AL is equal to x minus 3, AC is equal to 2x, BM is equal to x minus 2 and BC is equal to 2x plus 3. Find x value. You see, by applying a basic proportionality theorem BPT, we have to find the x value. Now I am saying about a solution. You see, in a triangle ABC, what condition is given? LM is a parallel to AB. It is already given. Next, what values are given? Here AL is LA is equal to, or AL is equal to x minus 3. Here AC is equal to 2x. Next here BM is equal to x minus 2. Here BC is equal to 2x plus 3. Before going to this explanation of this problem, I will explain to you some what about the basic proportional. By applying a basic proportionality theorem, what it is you see. You carefully observe. If you are remembering these 3 points, you can do any problem. Here in this board examination, here for 2 marks or for 1 mark, he definitely will be asking such problems. Here see, in a triangle ABC, DE is a parallel to BC. From basic proportionality theorem, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Already you know. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. From this, we will get a more 2 points you can observe. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. By adding a plus 1 and plus 2, both sides you are adding a plus 1, you will get, already we done one more problem. Here AB by AD is equal, AB by this. Here AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Here first point, already you know. Here second bit is what you see. AB by DB is equal to AC by EC. By applying, adding a plus 1 and plus 1. Plus 1 you add to this, plus 1 to add. Both sides you adding a plus 1. That is called componendo and dividendo. By this you will get a complete AB by DB is equal to AC by EC. This thing also. Next, third point you see, AB by AD. AB by AD is equal to AC by AE. Also you will get. By applying this, you will get this problem. This second example. Example problem, you have to apply that second bit. You see, AC by AL is equal to AC by AL is equal to BC by BM. You can apply this. Here AC already you know 2x by AL is x minus 3. BC is equal to 2x plus 3 by BM is equal to x minus 2. Do cross multiplication. You see here 2x into x minus 2 is equal to here x minus 3 into 2x plus 3. 2x into x, 2x square minus 2 into minus 2x into x, 4x, 2x into 2, 4x. By you multiply 2x into this completely, 2x square minus 6x, 2x into x, 2x into minus 3, 6x. Here plus 3, plus 3x minus 9 minus 9. Here see 2x square minus 4x, you transfer all, minus 2x square plus 6x minus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. Here these two cancel, x square. Here minus 7x minus 7x, here plus 6x, here plus 9 is equal to 0. Here 2x square minus 6x and plus 3x minus 9 is correct only. Here you see minus 7x plus 3x, x minus x plus 9 is equal to 0. Here minus x is equal to minus minus 9. X is equal to 9. Here x value is a 9. Therefore, x is equal to 9 you write. Over.